So now let's see how we can work around with vignetting and fast blur effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So for that, I'm going to go around and bring in a footage right here first. So here, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, this footage over here. And then I'm going to go around and bring that on to my timeline over here. So once I do that, you can see that this is the footage that I have. And now in order to add in vignetting and fast blur, I'm going to go around under the effects section right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around over here and you can see that this is what I have, and you can see that vignetting is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on my clip, then you can see the vignette over here. You can go around and change around the amount of the vignette and the size of the vignette over here, just like this as well. You can change around the roundness as well and change around the feather of the vignette over here, just like this as well, and get the details as you like right here. So if you were to go around, change around the feather, then you can see how this actually looks, and you can change around the size, the amount right here, and the feather, and control the effect as you like. Another effect that we're going to explore is the fast blur effect. So let me just go around under the advanced adjustment right here, just like this, and here you can see that vignetting is the last effect over here for the advanced adjustment. So if I were to go to blur and sharpen, then you can see that fast blur is in effect, and then if I were to click on this, then there's the fast blur right here. So it really uses fast algorithm to let it blur out. So over here you can go around and go for horizontal blurring, as you can see right here, and vertical blurring over here as well, and you can repeat out the edge pixels, as you can see, just like this. And this is how you can go around and work around with the vignetting and fast blur effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.